Hey, what's good, everybody? Just like that, that's a sliding roundhouse kick. And today, we're actually going to be breaking that down for you guys. So it's very, very similar to just a regular roundhouse kick. Only difference is that we're going to be kicking with our front leg rather than our back leg. So same thing. We always want to keep that bouncing in. We want to be able to always be on our feet and moving fast. So the only thing with the sliding roundhouse kick is that we're going to take the position of our front leg with our back leg. So in a sense, we're going to switch and bring our knees up. We're just going to switch our legs, switch, and bring our knees up. Same thing. And we're going to practice this motion one more time. Switch and bring our knees up. Only difference with this kick is we're going to be using a lot less hip because we're just kicking with our front leg right away. So I'm going to show you guys real quick. We're going to bounce and boom, just like that. So in slower times, switch and snap. It's always about the snapping motion. We want to make sure every single kick that we do is fast and it's impactful. So one more time. We're going to bounce and slide just like that. And if you like that video, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.